Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's situation, there is a big threat of corona. Today I will discuss how will you overcome the situation if somebody affected corona positive. Myself Shantanu Shah, I am your financial advisor. My message is that protect yourself against the invisible threat. As you all know that recently IRDA has launched the two products for corona treatment. One Corona Kavach and another is Corona Rakshak. Why these products are essential in today's life? Because COVID arises massively and hospital expenses also rise up. To overcome the situation, we should opt this kind of solution. Today I only discuss the Corona Kavach policy. Why this policy is very important to us? Let me explain. This is the indemnity policy. Under this policy, your corona treatment expenses will be covered by, in case of hospitalization, only one claim should be arised. Means somebody has been hospitalized for hospitalization for the corona treatment, they only eligible to claim for corona expenses only one time. If he or she admitted for the second time for the corona treatment, they are not eligible to admissible the claim from the insurance company. This is one part. Second part is all the corona related expenses will be covered under the Corona Kavach policy. Third, PPE kits, gloves, masks expenses, that is a huge expenses. That expenses does not cover all the health insurance company. But recently government has launched a new circular. Something limitation is there. In every health insurance policy, PPE kits, gloves, mask cover should be covered. So according the GI guidelines, General Insurance Company guidelines, there is some basic limitation of PPE kits, gloves and masks under Corona Kavach policy also. But from the normal policy, you should get better amount for PPE kits, gloves and masks under this policy. Is the more important part is the comorbid. If somebody has been treated by the any other previous disease, something maybe cancer, maybe heart disease, maybe some dialysis part, and he take the policy for corona Kavach policy, and after that he has been diagnosed corona positive after taking the policy of 1 month or 2 months, he also eligible to take the Corona Kavach policy expenses without any limitation of comorbid. It's a very unique part by the government of India has taken under this policy. Home care treatment cost up to 14 days is covered under the policy, but here doctor advice should be required for the home care treatment. Ayush treatment also covered under the policy. Hospital road ambulance cost 2000 per hospitalization will be covered Corona Kavach policy. Hospital cash expenses 0.5% of sum insured will be available under this policy. But this is an optional policy, optional cover. You can opt it or not opt it, that is up to you. Suppose you are taking a policy of 5 lakhs and your hospital cash will be 0.5%. So per day benefit 2500 per day, and this 2500 eligible for next 15 days. So 37,500 additional amount apart from your claim amount. So this is extra benefit. Very important part, this if you take the policy, Corona Kavach policy, and your waiting period is only 15 days. So if you take the policy today, so your cover start 16 day onwards. First 15 day you does not cover the policy. This policy is eligible for individual and family floater also. Some rules behind that, the policy may policy start 18 years to 65 years, and for the dependent child the policy from day 1 to 25 years will be eligible. Same spouse, dependent children, parents in-law will be eligible to take the policy. This policy has the 3 term. There is no yearly term. There is a 3.5 months, 6.5 months, and 9.5 months. No yearly premium, only single premium. The sum assured start from 50,000 and up to 5 lakhs. You can choose according your need. 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, whatever you choose according your need. There's a very important part under this policy, that is testing. If doctor advised some corona testing, you should diagnose at any government authorized diagnostic center. Please follow the instruction. If you don't do that, your claim not eligible under corona coverage policy. So under diagnosis part, you should take diagnosis report from the government authorized diagnostic center. Minimum 24 hours hospitalization is required for admissible the claim. Cashless and reimbursement, both the options are available. Cover up to the sum assured. Room rent, boarding, doctor, anesthetist, nurses, ICU, ICCU, PPE kits, glass masks, all the expenses covered corona coverage policy. So home care treatment, this is a very essential part. If doctor advise the home care treatment, so costing of the doctors will be, charges of the doctors will be covered under the policy. The cost of pulse oximeter, oxygen, etc. The cost will be eligible for claiming for the under the corona coverage policy. Pre and post hospitalization should be restricted 15 days and 30 days accordingly. And one major part, no medical screening required under this policy. If you want to take the policy up to 65 years of age, you can take it. No previous medical testing is required under this policy. One major part, 5% premium discount is available for the healthcare workers. Suppose doctors, nurses, pharmacists, they are want to take the policy, government also provide them the 5% discount. Tax benefit. Suppose you are investing in, you are taking the corona coverage policy and pay whatever your premium, you can eligible to get the tax benefit under section 1010D of Income Tax Act. Some exclusion part there. Daycare treatment and OPD cost does not cover under corona coverage policy. If you diagnosis in any non-authorized government center, your claim will be repudiated. If somebody taking the policy and wants to go outside the India, according to the central government's guidelines, they are not eligible to take, they are not eligible to claim the policy. Some claim procedure is there. Here I will already discuss. Cashless and reimbursement option is available under this policy. So you require some passport copy if you have, otherwise you can provide normal ID proof according your claim proceedings. Pre-hospitalization, post-hospitalization 15 days and 30 days, and some premium criteria under this policy. Suppose you are taking the policy, I'm giving the example. You are taking, somebody is taking the policy, age is 45 years, are taking the policy for 9.5 months for 5 lakhs policy. So your premium apparently 3,800 to 4,500 max to max. Premium slightly vary company to company. You should judge before taking the policy. So this is the minimum gist of this policy. I can explain more and more in my coming video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more update on insurance and financial market. Thank you very much.